Hello everyone, name is Reniel Campos. I am 17 years old. I live in Bais, Bunga, Cebu. My hobbies is playing volleyball and basketball. In my school day, I love listening to my teacher while she is discussing in front. And in my weekend time, I use my phone to review and to enjoy. After school, I play basketball for fun and to relieve my stress. At night, I exercise because this is my daily routine every night.